Okay, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to the future you. Very sci-fi. First, this is my Gmail account, and I'm logged in with my LSR7, so please log in with your LSR7. And then compose. When you go to compose it, you're going to want to first send it to yourself. So mine is erica.leslie@lsr7.net. And then also you might want to send it to a personal email because you may or may not be in the district. And I don't want you to miss out on your email because you moved or, I'm not really sure. If you stay in the district, if you graduate from North or any of the high schools at Lee Summit, then you'll get this email. But if you happen to move for one reason or another, then I want you to be able to get it. So have your personal email in there. And then lastly, I want you to send it. You're going to copy me, which is on this. Copy me on it. So erica.leslie. And that's my email. So I'm here multiple times because it's me. The subject line, make sure you make the subject line something you're going to remember. Oops, past you. Okay, from past you, that's really crazy. And then you're going to have to fill in the body of the email before sending. So I'm just going to write what you need to have. So you're going to say what your goal is, like state it, how you feel about it. So hold on, let me just go back. My goal is to run a mile without stopping. Now, that is something that was a former goal of mine, and I achieved it, so I know that it was a really good goal. I feel nervous. I was trying to think of how I felt before I accomplished this goal. I feel nervous about running. I hate running. I hate exercise, but running in particular. I hope I can do this. All right, and then what it's going to take. I will run 3 times a week after school. Okay, and lastly is like, how would you feel if you actually achieve this goal? If I do achieve this goal, I will, be in better shape and have more self-confidence. Maybe. And you can go on and on and on. Like, that doesn't have to be all you write about. It's just something that I thought would be nice, those 4 things. Okay, so you can describe it like a journal. You can do whatever you want. And then you're going to send later. So don't hit send, you send later. And if you're going to send this at the end of, if you're going to send it at the end of the quarter, it is October 30th. That's the end of the quarter. If you're going to send it at the end of the semester, that's December 22nd. And if you're going to send it at the end of the year, that's May 26th. Here it is, May 26th. So I always change this to AM because I want to see it first thing in the morning. And that's it. So if this is a year-long goal or whenever, so your deadline, this is going to be your deadline. By the time I receive this email, I will have achieved this goal and I can look back and think about it. So confirm, and then it's scheduling the message and it's sent. So that is how you send a future email, and hopefully it'll be amazing and you'll receive it and everything will have worked out and you met your goal.